Hello, today I'm in Kia Ceed. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. In the beginning, press this button to change menu on the instrument cluster. Now we can see here compass, assistant menu, user settings and accumulated info. To navigate through current menu, push this button downwards or upwards. To reset or confirm, press OK. And here we can find fuel economy, accumulated info, drive information and digital speedometer. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.